Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore missing DLLs in Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, I want you to go over here, click on the Windows button or Start button, type CMD, command prompt, this is what we need, and make sure to run as administrator. Click on that and this will show up on your screen. By the way, the missing DLL files prevent applications and system processes from functioning properly. By doing a simple command which is called sfc scan now, this, this is the command. By running this, it will scan and restore all of those critical files from your local Windows backup. So just once you hit enter, it will scan your entire PC. This might take a few minutes, but once it has completed the verification, it will show a message in here that it has found and successfully repaired those corrupted files related to the missing DLLs. Then you can click X. Once you restart your computer, since all of those files has been restored, then you should no longer have this problem. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.